Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out live radios on the ESPN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on this more button down below in the right side corner of the screen. After that, you should scroll down until you find the listen section and tap on live radio, which is the second option. And here you can find the featured stations at the top, then regional stations. So tap on the relevant one that you are interested in. And if you would like to start it, just tap
of whoever
on this
they
button
hire
at the top of the screen. And basically that's it. As you go back to your home page, you will be able to see it at the top of the screen when it is played at the moment. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.